Today we want to go over how to hold the taekwondo targets. For same kicks, instructors are holding the target slightly differently. However, today we're going to explain how to hold the pad for the basic kicks in general. First is going to be a front kick. When the video says to do the front kick, you're going to hold the pad in front of your body. It's going to be straight in this way. And when you hold the target, you're going to try different ways. Laces out or laces in. Try a few times. Find a way that's comfortable for you. Now it's going to be a front kick practice.
When you hold for the front kick, like she said, you're going to hold it in front of you. You want to be belt height, maybe a little higher in general. You could always go higher depending on what you're doing. But for basics, I'm going to hold it about belt height. And we're going to do this 3 times. So when I count, she's going to kick and she's going to say, ready? 1, 2, 3. Very good. What you don't want to do is point it out like this, because if she kicks, she's very likely to kick my hand, even if she gets an accurate kick. Okay? Good. Second kick we're going to do is a push kick. When we do the push kick, this time I'm going to turn and hold it out to the side. Kicking stance. When she does her push kick, this way she can hit the target, push through on my count 3 times. Ready? 1. Good. 2. 3. And back. Excellent. Next kick we're going to practice is the axe kick. Since I prefer to use the laces out from all my holds, whether here, I'm just going to take the target and move it out to the side. So she can do her axe kick. Kicking stance. Okay. On my count, straight up, straight down. 1. 2. And 3. Very good. Okay. After the axe kick, we can move to a roundhouse kick. Okay, so when we do a roundhouse kick stands good. I'm going to use my right hand with her right leg. So when she has that leg back, my thumb is going to be on the same side as the leg she has back. So I'm sitting like this. Again, I'm going to tilt to the target at about approximately 20 to 30 degree angle, roughly belt height, and then she's going to give me 3 kicks. She's going to follow through. Ready? 1. Good. 2. And 3. Excellent. Unlike most kicks, roundhouse kicks, you're going to have to switch hands when you do the other leg. So when she switches, I'm going to switch legs and I'm going to switch hands. I'm going to put my thumb out to the same side as that leg that she has back with my other hand. So left leg, I'm holding left hand. Same thing, I'm going to tilt the target slightly and count for 3 on her kicks. 1, 2, and 3. Nicely done. Just like that. So that's how you hold for the roundhouse kick. Remember, we're switching hands with their legs. Thanks. Next, we're going to do a side kick. Very similar to our push kick, I'm going to take the target, hold it to the side. I'm actually going to turn a little bit. Kicking stance. She's going to do her side kick on my count. Ready? And 1. And back. And 2. And back. And 3. And very good. And when you practice at home, make sure you practice on both sides. Do your right leg and your left leg so no one side is weaker than the other. Okay, now we're going to talk about how to hold for a back kick. First thing is we're going to hold it just like the side kick. I'm going to turn and hold it out to the side. Okay, hold it away from my body so they're less likely to kick me by accident. When the kicker turns, they're going to rotate. You want to make sure they don't rotate too far. If they rotate too far, they tend to kick off to the side. So she's going to turn straight, come to the point where they stop, look over her shoulder, and then kick straight back. Pretend there's a wall next to them so they can't bring their leg way out to the side. They want to bring their leg straight back. So you can hold the other target here as pretending it's a wall so they remember to kick straight back. Go, kick, boom, okay? And we'll demonstrate that 2 more times. She's just going to turn and kick. And 1 more time, she's going to turn and kick. Boom. Very good. Now, we're going to move on to a spinning hook kick. When we do the spinning hook kick, you're going to hold the target similar to the roundhouse kick, but higher. And again, since she's spinning and she's kicking with her back leg, she's going to rotate this direction. I'm going to lean it here. So instead of holding it straight up, slight lean on the target. Then, when she's ready, she can start to spin, and just like before, she's not going to bring it too far outside. She's going to bring it almost straight back as if there's a wall behind her, and then she's going to complete her kick. So we're going to start with 1, 2, and 3. Very nice. And that's how we do our spinning hook kick. Next, we're going to talk about doing a spinning roundhouse kick. As the holder, you have to remember that it's very similar to the regular roundhouse kick, except she's going to be kicking with her front leg after she spins. So you might think you're going to hold here, but she's going to spin and kick with her front leg coming this direction. So I'm going to actually hold here, tilted towards her back side. That way when she spins, she'll be holding properly for the kick. And we'll do it 2 more times. 1 and 2. Okay, then when she switches legs, all you have to do is do the same thing, and you also switch legs and hold the target out. And that's how you hold for the spinning roundhouse kick.
At this time, we're going to show how to do continuous kicks. Because the space is limited, we're only going to do 2 continuous kicks and go back and try again.
Okay. So kicking stance.
First is going to be front kick.
Okay, front kick. Remember, you can hold either side. I like to hold cross, that leg back, right hand hold. She kicks, step back, and other leg back. And we'll reset, and we'll do it again. 1 and 2. Okay, and you can repeat that as many times as you want to do.
Next is going to be push kick.
Push kick is like before. Hold it out to the side. She's going to do a push kick with one leg. I'm going to slide over, and then other leg. Then we'll reset, and we'll do it again. 1, 2, and good.
Next is X kick.
Axe kick. I'm going to hold it out. She's going to do one leg, and slide back, and other leg. So I'm sliding back over. Good. And then again, 1, coming forward, 1, and 2. Okay, so I'm going to move so she can come forward.
Now, roundhouse kick.
When we do the roundhouse kick, as before, her right leg, my right hand, so I'm going to step back with my left. She's going to kick. I step back, and she does the other leg. Again, I hold 1, and 2. Same as before, that angle that we talked about earlier.
Next, side kick.
Side kick. Just like the push kick, I'm going to hold it to the side. And just like the push kick, I'm going to step back every time she kicks. So 1, move, and 2. Good. And back, and go. And back.
Now it's going to be spinning kicks. First, it's going to be back kick.
When she does the back kick, I'm going to hold that to the side. As she does the first kick, I'm going to move back so she can follow up with the other leg. 1, and 2. Good. One more time. Coming forward. 1, and 2. And good.
Next, spinning hook kick.
Spinning hook kick. Once again, I'm going to hold up, slight slant. She's going to spin. I step back. She's going to step forward and do the other leg. We'll do it again. Hold it up. She'll spin. I'll quickly step back and she'll kick again.
Spinning roundhouse kick.
Then she's going to do her spinning roundhouse kick. She's going to turn. Remember, I'm holding towards her back side because she's going to end up kicking with the front leg. So when she spins, boom, I'm going to step back. She'll do it again. Boom. Then you can go back and switch legs and then switch sides and do hold to the other side. Same thing. And that's how we practice for 4 targets. Enjoy and stay safe. We'll see you next time.